Hi guys, my name is EshaalKashifQureshi and today I'm gonna show you this. So one time I was going to another country in the airplane. I don't know if someone gave me this because I was a really small kid. They just give to me so I can draw and write. I have already done these things. I just a little bit pages are full. So I'm gonna show you how to do this. So you can see here this beautiful blue bag. It has a pencil, a peacock, it's stuck on a tape. It's stuck with a tape on it, drawing, and a starfish, and this swimsuit. And now we will open this. So this is a zip here. Pull it. It's open. Now let's see what's in here. So there is a really nice book. And it has a secret compartment here to put these pencils. There's some pencils out there. There's color red, blue, and wow, there's also money. No, there was not money came with this set. I actually put my own pocket money inside. See, this is my pocket money. So I'm gonna just save my pocket money and put it here. So it's safe. And now we have a secret compartment to put some pencils, and this is a pencil case. You can see this is a pencil box. There's already some same color pencils here, red, and there was a shopper with it's ruined with all clean in it. And this is a pencil box, and look at this pencil box. It's really pretty, right? And we also have the color yellow. This is the colors we have to draw and color with. And this is the book. Let's see. Wow, we can draw our own things. This is the old drawing which I drawn when I was really small. I don't know how to draw things goodly. So I don't like this drawing. It's too bad, right? See? Because I was that time really small. I even don't know how to draw art, but I every time draw dolls, even they're ugly or not. So this is a doll that I don't like mostly. And we need to draw and color is pages we need to draw on it if you want to. And this is these are the coloring pages we can color. I have already colored some of them. When I won't have my YouTube channel, I have this book. And I've already colored it a little bit of it. And we have this fish. Oh, look at her. Its teeth. It's so sharp. And we have this seahorse. There's so many drawings. I tried to get out of this puzzle, but I can't. So I just didn't complete it. And, oh, this is such a cute turtle. And we need to show you more. These fishes. These fishes remind me of Joey and me. Oh, look at the fish. And this is the fish I like the most and I color it. Guys, right now in the lockdown I'm sick. You know my nose is running still because I'm sick. And this is the crab and the fish. Let me show you these pages, empty pages, which we need to draw on it if we want to draw. And let's see if there's another things to do. Here. What's this? Coins? Oh God, I forgot to show you. These are my coins for my pocket money. My notes. Oh, why my pocket money is coming in the middle of the video? I don't know, maybe the pocket money wants to show me a Eshaal brand. Eshaal got us. And I know you were thinking, why? This is the money tree. I'm putting money inside. So when I will put water in it, putting my all money, the money will come out of it and grow. Just kidding. It's just my and you know, I know why you guys all are thinking how I have so much money. I just collect my money from Eid. Every time I get money from the Eid festival of Muslims, so I get money and I have just collected my own money. So now I want to show you something. I didn't notice there were two more colors. thought they're matching, but there's just two lone colors, green and orange, would not have a partner. Such a lone. So they need to be together so they can be friends. And blue need to be together. Red and red need to be together. And yellow need to be together. Now they are partners. Happy ever after for them. Eat just for them. And so cute. I love this dolphin. You know, guys, I just love dolphins. And now, wow, we even have a sharpener. I love these kinds of sharpeners. They're so great. We even don't need to go into the jasmine to throw all the dirt. The dirt just fill in this container. Let's close it. And if there's so much dirt in here, you need to throw it. Just open it like this and throw it and close it back. Let's see if we have anything else. What's this? A book. Let's see what's inside. Wow. Look, in this first place, this says to write your family's name, but I didn't did it right. I just do anything I want in my mind. I don't know. And this is the board saying to color in the sea. I have already colored in the sea. And look, there's Nemo here. Hey, Nemo, what are you doing here? You're just enjoying the sea. Okay, where's Dory? Here is she, Dory. And why are you looking different? I just go to the salon and make me pretty. Oh, good. And look at this. I made this. It is gold saying to me making. And I have also colored this beautiful sea turtle by my own self. So good, right? I love it. I love this turtle. And look, this. Wow. I think they're just saying to go on the right place. 2 goes. I think 2 goes to here. And 1 goes to here. Hey, I think I was a bit confused, but I just colored anything I really like. Hey, and the book is end? What? So we have this. I didn't did it right, so I just write these names. I know you can't see this yellow name because it's too bright yellow. It's really light yellow. And this red, you can little bit see it. And I didn't do these 2 right, so I just throw this away. Not did it right, so I didn't do it correctly. So I just leave it. And now we have this board telling us something. I need to do it here or here somewhere, but I didn't did it. And I colored the sea by my own self. So pretty, right? Hey Nemo, what are you doing here? Nothing. And Dory, why your eyes looking different? Because I just go to salon and do my manicure. I just get ready. Okay. And this girl is saying us to do something, and I have already done this. See, we need to make a hexagon, but I already have made it. Hexagon. Sorry. And we have this beautiful sea turtle. I love it. I made it by myself. And yeah, this design looks like mandala art. So great. And look, and you know my mom loved mandala art, even me, so I did a mandala art. Hey, there you're the sea turtle. And there is this. So now we have this beautiful look. And look, there's Junior Sinbad puzzle book. Sinbad. I'm sorry guys. And look, there's an elephant here. So cute. And drawing. Let's take it because this book is already full. I love this good value in the book color. And then let's start with the drawing. I want to draw first because I love drawing. Or this ugly doll away, please. I don't want to look at it. Do you want to look at this ugly doll? Look at her. Blah. I'm gonna draw on this page. So, what do you want I to draw? You want to draw I think you want to draw a beautiful, what I was saying, a beautiful beach. So let's draw.